Indian Railway Finance Corporation shares dip amid market fluctuations. Today, Indian Railway Finance Corporation shares are trading at 173 rupees and 55 paise, down by 1.39%. Nifty index experiences a slight decline, down by 0.11% as market volatility continues. The stock reached a high of 177 rupees and a low of 173 rupees during today's trading session. Technically, the stock is trading above the 300-day SMA, indicating long-term strength. However, it faces resistance at the 5, 10, 20, 50, and 100-day SMAs, suggesting caution. Stay updated with the latest market trends by subscribing to our channel.